welcome to Erika's Best, where I bring you the best of the best and more. Well, today I am doing a cookie recipe. I know you're gonna love this because I have never met one person that didn't like red velvet. And this is a red velvet stuffed with cream cheese. So it's a cream cheese red velvet. So it's just like the red velvet cake, only this has a cream cheese filling. And I'm going to show you how to get that filling in this cookie with no fuss and no muss. So here we go. You have your butter, your sugar, and that was 1 egg. And now this is 2 eggs. I'm going to mix that up. And then I'm going to add in my 3rd egg. And then I'm going to add in my food coloring and my extract. And then I'm going to add in my flour and my leavening and my cocoa powder. And then, what makes it red velvet? My red food coloring. Yay! So here we go. We have our butter, 1 cup of butter. We have 3 eggs. We have some brown sugar and some white sugar. All of the ingredient lists will be in the description box below. So please stay tuned and don't worry about the recipe because I will have everything in the description box when you see this video. So we're going to add our dry ingredients in. It's 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. And you want to get a good Dutch cocoa powder. It really does make a difference. I didn't realize how much of a difference until I got some Dutch cocoa powder. It makes a huge difference. So please invest in your baked goods. You will not regret it. Along with this flour. So I know a lot of you are probably shopping for Christmas and buying gifts and, figuring out how you're going to get gifts to people and shipping and all of this hustle and bustle because it's that time of the year. Don't forget to take out some time and just give God some praise because He is worthy of all the praise and all the glory. And it is because of Him that supposedly that this whole celebration came about. I don't believe that because too many inconsistencies in the Bible, but that's what the world has allowed people to fall into. So people spend lots of time buying gifts. They get all caught up in trying to buy the perfect gift every year. And we need to take some time and think about, why are we buying these gifts? Why are we spending all of this money? Why? All of our loved ones know we love them. And we show that love 364 days, other days of the year. We don't need this day to shower them, to go into debt, to show them that we love them. You can show a person that you love them every day, with a smile, with a hello, with a hug, with some compassion, with some understanding. We need to take some time and be there for one another, support one another. If you are married, support your husband, support your wife, help them, to be the people God created them to be. And don't allow yourself to get caught up in this whole, hustle and bustle of, trying to find that perfect gift, trying to buy this gift, trying to get that gift. You have 364 days besides this one day that they call Christmas to buy your loved one a gift. Do it on August the 3rd. Pick a day and that you want to show appreciation, that you want to show love, that you want to show someone in your life. Don't do it the way the world wants you to do it, because we're not supposed to conform to this world. We are supposed to be transformed. So start living your transformed life. I challenge you to do that. Back to the cookies. So we have this red food coloring now that we need to get out of this container and get into this bowl. I'm going to try my best to get it all out and to color this dough. Buying this food coloring, the gel food paste, is a good way to get that coloring in. There's also another good way. Smart & Final sells a double strength red food coloring. I think it's just created for food preparations. So don't hesitate to go to Smart & Final. But I'm going to be right back because I need to find something to scoop all this stuff out. We are getting this dough together, and I think I got enough red out of the container. I got a little bit more to get out, but I think I have enough. The dough is looking plenty red. And, yeah. Yes, it is. Alright, so that's our red velvet dough. It is red, but it is a dark red because of the cocoa powder. So this is a darker red velvet versus cake that's bright red. The cookies are a little dark red because it has lots more cocoa powder in it than a cake. I don't know why that is, but it is. So this is what the dough looks like. So now we are going to fill our cookies. And it's a little fiddly. You get a piece of dough in your hands and you move it around to kind of get the same thickness all the way around, like that. Then you get a spoon of your filling, and the filling is a jar, the small jar of marshmallow fluff, and 8-ounce container of cream cheese, plus a half a cup of powdered sugar. And then you're just going to ever so gingerly roll it up on the sides and close it up. And this excess dough, I would say pinch it off so it doesn't leave too much dough, that you have a nice amount of dough with the filling. And you just keep going until you have a tray full of dough. So I hoped to be having some red velvet cookies here to show you, but they left my house before I could even finish my video. So I'm so sorry, but I do have some pictures that you will see during the ending of this video. But I did want to say thanks for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share my video so that you can invite somebody to watch my videos as well. So please remember to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye for now. I hope you loved watching the red velvet cookie. It is a delicious cookie. That's why it left so fast. So thanks for watching again. Bye for now.